Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? My name is Chinwe Izikane and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Asaba. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. So what are you going to be doing? For me, I'm going to be attending a singles and married seminar, and it's a get ready with me. So you will see outfits, you'll see makeup, and you'll see hair. Okay, so let's get into it. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. I love every one of you greatly. Okay, so let's get into the video. And if you truly enjoy watching, please give the video a like. Okay, please, it really helps to put my channel out there. Thank you so much, and leave a comments as well. Okay, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. The products that I'm going to be using will be listed in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Okay, yeah, so let's go. So what do you think about the makeup look? I love it. So if you do, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to show you the outfit, the bag, and then the shoe, okay? So this is the outfit, guys. It's a gown and it has bare hand. I love bare hands a lot, and I love the color combo of oxblood and white, and it's a fitted gown. It's got a slit at the back, which you would see. I really love it a lot, and the material stretches, and it was made, my tailor actually made it for me. I love it. These are the shoes. I've not worn them before. Okay. Yeah, how nice. Wow. Gorgeous, right? Let me show you the other legs. How beautiful. Matching with my gown. Yeah. Gorgeous. Look at the details. Look at the heel. Yeah. Okay. This is the bag. The bag is by Therabody, and I love the detailing of the bag. I love the hand chain. It's adjustable, and again the color is black. It can go with anything, and I love the size. Let me go get into them. I love this bag. It's super beautiful, cool leather, very nice. I love. Okay, so let me go. Okay. So we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. In all that you do, let love lead. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. I love you all greatly. See you in my next one. Bye.